This one-page website makes $175,000 to $245,000 per year. Would you quit your job if you got this annual income? Guys, I didn't say this. ChatGPT said this after analyzing this website. This is a one-page website and it makes all its money from this AdSense ads. This ad here and this ad here. That's it. Let me take a screenshot for you. This website's job is to help you find out how many calories you burn every day. And you know how many people are crazy to know this, right? And this is a Google display ad. That's it. These two display ads are the only source of income for this website. And it has basically one page, active one page, and this about page, FAQ and contact page really doesn't matter. And there is nothing else really. At the bottom there is another ad, but basically when you scroll up, that ad will scroll up right here at the bottom. That's it. That is it. Now, how are they making this much money? They're making this much money from the traffic they get. What is traffic? Traffic are the people who are visiting this website. And they have 2.2 million monthly visitors. And according to SimilarWeb, they have 35% US traffic, 11% UK traffic, 50% organic, which is from Google's search engine, and 33% direct traffic, their own traffic. These people know them. These visitors know this website and they visit daily or weekly to calculate their calorie burns. On top of that, they have 10% social media traffic. And the social media traffic come from Reddit and YouTube. Now, we know how this website looks like, we know how they make money, and we know what kind of traffic they get. Now tell me, if you want to make money, what else do you need to know? Everything. You know what happened? Yesterday, I took a 1-hour webinar. In that webinar, I literally shared step by step how this website gets traffic, how they make money, how much time it takes for a beginner to build this website. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. And I did all these in order to educate this fitness AI software customers. They purchase this, they have access to this AI, now they need to know how to make money. And I showed them how to make money. At the end, one person asks, what is the connection between fitness AI and money? I didn't even understand the meaning of this question. All I want you to understand, the same way I understand, is that money is in other people's pocket. When they visit your website, you can turn those visitors into hard cold cash. And you can make money in 3 different ways. One of the ways is by showing ads on your website or your videos, like YouTube videos. This website uses the showing method. Now, if you want to show your ads, who do you show to? You show people who are visiting your website. Before we go to the next method, let us find out what ChatGPT told us about this website. Check this prompt and you can do it too. Do it anytime you want with any website and ChatGPT. You can do the same with Grok as well. Just to show you the live demonstration, I'm going to copy this prompt to Grok and see what Grok says. And the estimated revenue, according to ChatGPT, is $175,000 to $245,000, considering 35 million visitors per year, which makes sense because SimilarWeb shows approximately 2.2 million visitors per month, which can also be called 3 million visitors. So yeah, 35 million visitors is good. And RPM, revenue per million views, on Google's display ads is $5 to $7 approximately, which makes you $175,000 to $245,000 per year. It's not bad at all. In fact, even at conservative $3 RPM, you're still looking at $105,000 per year. Not bad at all. Now, how long to build something similar from scratch? And we have an estimate. Before that, let's check what Grok says. Similar results. Look at this. 3.3 million visits in April 2025, which also indicates approximately $9,900 monthly ad revenue. And if the site uses direct ad deals, then it would have made $49,500 in a single month, which makes them approximately $30,000 to $50,000 a month. And that's a lot. What Grok says, $360,000 to $600,000 per year. Wow. Now, I would take the conservative numbers to stay safe. Now, the part 2, how long to build similar website from scratch? Grok's answer is text-based, pretty boring. So I will go back to ChatGPT. It's a nice, beautiful table. According to this analysis, it takes 0 to 12 months, like approximately 1 year, to gain SEO traction and almost 50,000 visitors per month to begin earning modestly. And year 1 to 2, the number of visitors may ramp up to 100,000 to 500,000 visitors per month and see steady revenue growth. But year 3 to 5, 3 to 5 years of work, consistent work, you can reach multi-$100,000 annual revenue, depending on niche, SEO, and consistency. And there is no guarantee that it's going to work, because literally no one has control over SEO. Okay, I asked more and more questions to learn details, and I found it isn't easy. So if we look closely, all the money is coming from the visitors. So if we can get visitors and make more money from the visitors we get, then it's a game over. Why not we try that? The second way to make money is freelancing or client work. And one of the easiest ways to get clients is from freelancing sites like Fiverr.com. This guy has an offer. I will be your certified fitness trainer and nutritionist. His basic offer starts from $33 to $61 and premium $85. And he will give you what exactly? We don't know. Yeah, we kind of understand. It is like custom nutrition plan, personalized workouts, 24/7 support, and guaranteed results. So what you're gonna do is you want to click contact me and then speak to him, have a chat with him one-on-one. If he agrees, make the payment and get his custom nutrition plan, personalized workouts, support, and eventually results. This stuff here has 3 steps. Step 1, be found. Clients or potential clients should find you on freelancing sites. Step 2, get hired. Now, in order to get hired, you need one skill called sales. If you don't know how to sell, then you won't be able to sell your service. Period. And if you don't know how to sell, you better start learning. You must sell. Whether it's on phone or on chat, the basic skills are must. Does it look like easy to you? It is actually easy, but there is one problem, the sales part, because these customers don't just find you, talk to you, and hire you. They negotiate, and in fact, you should learn how to negotiate as well. Once you get hired, you should offer an upsell. Upsell works, and if you don't know how to sell, then you can't upsell. So yeah, there is a little bit of work. But on top of that, the last part is deliver, Habibi. You have to deliver to your clients. And after your client accepts your work, said, yes, I love it, then only they will pay you. So yeah, it's a bit of work. It definitely works. The system works, but it's not passive. Now, tell me, why would you take all these hassles? Because in order to be found, you are using these websites like Fiverr, like Upwork, or other freelancing sites. They have traffic. They have your potential customers. What if you had your own traffic? I did a lot of research yesterday, especially on health and fitness. It's crazy how many health and fitness content creators just use one of the simplest method of content creation. And it is something absolutely everyone can do. This is Dr. Eads. I don't know what's Eads, but Dr_AIDS on TikTok. And I found especially doctors use reaction videos more than anyone else. I can show you from here. This video is a reaction video. This is his most popular video and it's a reaction video. The second one is probably not a reaction video, but the fourth one is a reaction video. Next one, yes, it is also a reaction video. This one is also a reaction video. This is also reaction video, reaction video, reaction video, reaction video. What I'm trying to say here is reaction videos simply use your screen time. So let's say this is my camera and I am watching another person's video. While watching, I'm also saying, oh, wow, yeah, you're right. No, I don't agree because ABC. Oh, yeah, he is right. I have tried this myself. Oh, wow, this is so good. No, this is wrong. Absolute BS. I mean, I can do all kinds of reaction while watching other people's content. And in fact, according to statistics, the average global screen time is 6 hours plus per day. And it's been increasing 30 minutes per year every single year since 2013. So while watching other people's content for 3 hours to 6 hours, you can simply use another camera, like another phone camera, and record your reaction. That reaction becomes your reaction content. If you go to my TikTok and filter according to popularity, you will find most of my most popular videos are reaction videos. Now, do you still have questions? How can you drive traffic to your TD calculator website? The answer is yes. You do not need to rely on Google's traffic. You can use just social traffic. Add more social traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Just by using what exactly? Just by using what? Do you remember? Reaction videos. And in our 99% done for you program, which you can find from this website moshbari.com or by scanning this QR code, just watch this free training video and you will learn how we use AI softwares to create our avatars and we use those avatars for our reaction videos. So we literally do not show our faces if we don't want to. What else do you need to make money? Literally nothing. But if you think you need help, you can always go here and check our 99% done for you program. Yesterday, Akshat made $300 commission. Before that, he made tons more commissions. And literally every single member who followed our program earned their investment back within 6 to 8 weeks. Hey, results are not typical. You're not going to make the same amount of money at the same time. Your case can be a little slower, can be a little faster, can be a little more, can be a little less. But the system simply works. So check the link in the description below, or maybe in my profile, or if you don't find anything anywhere, go to moshbari.com or scan this QR code and watch this free training. We will see you inside.